Well, buongiorno, my friendos. As you can hear, it's still going on down there. I'm about to join them in a minute, but I just wanted to show you this. Can you hear them? I'm literally right above it at the moment. Someone said play battleships, so they put a cannon on the cliff, and they said, shoot what you can see. Oh, this is the perfect game. Now I'm going to go downstairs. Should I be really cocky and try and ride down? There you go. There's the fairground. Here. There's more stuff going on down there. I think it's street racing. Here we are. Oh yeah. Told you about a big cannon. Zoom out so you can see the cannon. And the fairground. Do you want to see what's going on down there? It says CAF.